Okay, are we ready? Okay, distinguished guests, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We're happy to announce to you the result of this year's beauty pageant. The judges, after a thorough fair deliberation and evaluation, they made an unanimous decision that the lucky winner, the favorite of the audience, is no other than...
And I have the envelope here. And the winner of
Who's the winner?
Miss Port St. Lucie of 2025. Miss Nelly Lampard. Okay, have a seat, Miss.
Ever since Miss Lala,
Miss
Port St. Lucie.
It is a double celebration for Miss Port St. Lucie today. That aside from winning the title of Miss Port St. Lucie, it's also her birthday.
Now, let's move on to give Miss Port St. Lucie the award and gifts.
Okay, first, let's call on Miss Linda Brown, the next door neighbor of Miss Nelly, long time ago. Mrs. Linda was Miss Ilonggo. Miss Ilonggo's lady of 1988. She came all the way for her birthday and was surprised to learn that she's the new Miss Port St. Lucie of 2025.
Oh my goodness.
And has a double celebration. She's the first to arrive, riding on an UFO, not It was a UFO that makes people wondering if she's an alien or has an alien boyfriend to have that privilege to ride in a UFO. Now let's talk about the gift that she brought in for Miss Port St. Lucie. Her gift is a tremendously beautifully crafted necklace. Like out here. It is also a special made to order.
It looks like money.
Oh,
You should see this money, this money girl.
It's a very valuable necklace.
The chain is of 100% pure yellow gold. The pendant is 20 carats diamond. With 10 carats diamonds all around it.
Wow.
It is indeed a priceless.
I need security guard.
It is indeed a priceless piece of jewelry to own. The price, of course, is definitely exorbitant, but the giver won't divulge the price. She's giving that secret, the price of that necklace.
I
Okay,
need security
please
guard.
go ahead.
Happy birthday! Thank you.
Pwede na ako bumalik.
Let's continue on.
Let's continue on. Next to honor Miss Port St. Lucie of 2025 is Miss Chai Laksamana, their buddy with a special bond with mother and daughter. Miss Chai
Yes.
learning Miss Lily Brown's gift. She decided to order from Cartier. Also a matching bracelet. The chain is 100% pure gold with 30-carat diamond. Miss Chai took this occasion as the proper time to give Miss Nelly a precious gift whom she is always giving her kamote tops and kamote.
Carmen.
Beautiful bracelet.
You're next.
And that's nasa na?
Ang dami kong pera.
Pautang ma. Can I borrow some of your money?
Happy birthday to Mel.
Thank you.
Wishing you many more happy, healthy birthdays to celebrate and enjoy.
Thank you.
Okay, the third one. It is now Miss Carmen Stelmar to offer her gift to Miss Port St. Lucie 2025.
Wow, I have another skirt.
The valuable gift.
A bracelet. A bracelet. Yeah, it is.
Valuable gift is a Philip Patek.
It's a watch.
Oh, it is a watch.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. It is a
Philip
watch.
Patek wristwatch. It's no, it goes up.
Tapon na yan. Walang
Yeah, it is.
Okay, it's made of 100% pure white gold casing encrusted with 20 carats of diamond.
Oh my God.
Wow.
I need security guard.
I'm here. I'm right here.
This wristwatch has a specific unique feature, which Miss Carmen emphasized when she ordered it. The time was stopped permanently at 12 o'clock. Miss Carmen would like her friend to own a watch that at least twice a day the time is very precise, unlike all other watches, which are all on time, late, or advanced by approximately a second.
12 o'clock. All the time 12 o'clock.
Where'd you buy it? Flea market. Philip Patek.
It shows the correct time twice a day.
Twice a day.
The cost is a steaming $2 million.
Alright.
That is nothing compared for Miss Carmen. She's a very generous lady.
Wow.
$2 million.
Happy birthday.
Miss Carmen Fashion is cooking and baking. She has a master's in nutrition. She always cooks a lot, although there are only 2 in the household. She shares the extra to her friends. Any one of her friends who visit her will always have a bag of goodies when she leaves. So look at us. Look at us, her friends. Look at how happy we are. We always eat what she cooked and look at her. How skinny she is. And that's how she preserved her curves. I think this is her trick. She let us eat and then she just starve herself.
She wants to look good, so she wants everyone else to get fat.
So the attention will be on me, right?
Miss Kitchen is an appropriate title for her.
Here comes Miss Annie Chilionco, Miss Port Pierce of 1990. Their gift, an intricately crafted brooch, grade of 100% pure white gold. Center 10-carat diamond surrounded with pearls. And twisted twine is also pure gold encrusted with brilliant pitos. She ordered it from the best jeweler in Paris, walang kaparis.
Paris. Yay.
Miss is a full-fledged nurse practicing her profession. She's a wife, mother, and grandmother. She has so many businesses. She's also active in her social life. She's multitasking, a bionic woman of the present time.
Thank you, thank you.
Wow.
Yaman.
How much money do we have now? That's put in my wheel, on your wheel for me.
Okay, let's crown. Let's put the crown on. Oh my God, the crown.
Oh, wow. Let me see that crown. Wow.
Crown. Miss Fort St. Lucie of 2025 is Miss Carol Apuli. The appointed, designated Miss Fort St. Lucie during the initial development of Fort St. Lucie at that time. At that time, there were billboards all over the place with a picture of Miss Carol smiling, telling people to buy house and lots in where she lives right now. People believe her, so there was a rising sale, and the development was so fast in that area. Miss Carol is multi-talented. Aside from her hospital job, she plant trees, do landscape, gardening, interior decoration, cut trees, pick fruits from tall trees. Actually, she's a jack of all trades, but not master of none. She excels in two categories. She's a very, very good cook. And has a secret restaurant. The name of the restaurant is Ituro Mo. She's an expert in cleaning houses and yards full of clutters. What your regular will tell you that they could do the job in 2 or 3 weeks, even a month. She can do it in a couple of hours. And we have actually experienced that when one of my friends moved. Just give her several boxes and black bags. Black garbage bag. Leave her alone and come back in 2 hours after. You'll be surprised to the house is empty. No more clutters. All are gone already. Pick up by the several
Special to si Karo. Special to very ano eh. Oh, special ano eh. Oh, wow.
What a wonderful job she's been doing. Now, at long last, she's going to release her crown to the
I think you need to clip it. At the wrist.
Puno na ako ng pera.
Wow! 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 You look good, ma.
I look good.
Yeah, you look good, ma. After you take that off, just make sure.
Okay.
Here comes Miss Violet Kaplan.
Woo! Ay, andito pala yung bag. Alis na pala. Ito pala. Nawala ako, nawala. Yay! Woot woot!
She will put the sass on Miss Fort St. Lucie of 2025.
Oh, wow.
The sass a fine satin cloth, but the letters are written in 24-karat gold.
Wow!
And on both ends are 10-karat diamond. Miss Violet refused to ride on a limousine in coming here. She prepared to ride on a top-down 6x6 truck alone. She said the queen of the night must be seen by the people during the day. So the driver drove with a speed limit of 5 miles per hour.
5 miles per hour.
So the people could see the beautiful queen of the night in daylight. They enjoyed looking at her with a side smile from her ear to ear, enjoying her ride and busy throwing candies and animals. To the gathering crowd, she arrived just on time to do her part. Yeah.
You stand up, Mama.
Stand up.
Ay! Oops.
Ayan. Ipit mo. Ayan. Eh, natatanda
Okay.
kasi walang ipit.
There you go.
Oh my God, ang dami kong ano.
Miss St. Lucy.
Miss Lucy, okay.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Okay, that's good.
Nalalaglag.
Wala, ipit mo.
Hawakan mo na lang. Lalakad pa siya.
Escort mo siya.
Ay, escort.
Meron pa.
Okay, to put the cake on Miss St. Lucy.
Wow! The cake. Wow! Wow!
To put the cake on Miss Port St.
Cake?
Lucie
Cake?
2025 is no other than her good friend, Miss Connie Castro. It is made to order cake from London.
Wow! London?
From the maker of the king and queen cakes. It is made of fine linen, accessorized with blocks of diamonds and plenty of precious stones of different colors and sizes. Chicken feathers were needed to complete the decoration. So what Miss Connie did was pluck all the feathers
Oh, your chicken! Your chicken! Your chicken!
without the couple knowing and send it to London to finish the cake. It is everybody's knowledge that Miss Connie is a religious person. Then why did she do that? She had offended God and her neighbor. So all the chickens are bound. Miss Connie, better hide from Annie or Ed. They might pluck your hair. You need to do a lot of prayers and repentance for pardon and forgiveness for what horrible act you did, plucking the feathers of all of the chickens. So, honest chicken.
Wow. Buti na lang ano, malamig.
Elvis Presley.
Ano na, may ano na to?
Hindi pa. Siya lang.
So, I have to stand or sit down?
Yeah, just stand.
Stand. Oh my God. This is a punishment?
Dapat
Okay. Now here comes Miss Nene Paragas, the beggar, who is also a friend of Miss Port St. Lucie. I will just let her talk to her because she only speaks Tagalog. Maybe I can do the interpretation in English.
magandang binibili. Magandang hapon.
Good afternoon, beautiful.
Oo.
Noong linggo, nilimusan niyo siya.
Ikaw ang Miss
Para ko iimbitahan ninyo para dumating sa inyong birthday. Pero pagdating ko sa pintuan,
ayaw akong papasukin. Kasi hindi daw bagay ang aking kasuotan. Tumigil ako doon, inaantay ko kayo. Mayroong isang babaeng lumapit sa akin, binigyan ako ng napakagandang damit from
They
Paris.
gave her beautiful
At saka
from Paris.
pantalon. At saka sapatos.
Shoes. They gave her.
Tumantuwa ako dahil malambot at hindi
She was so
natalsik.
happy because
Ay, bakya ko.
she was so
Ngayon
happy
po,
because the
nabalitaan
shoes was
ko na kayo daw ay maglalaro na ng bingo po kayo.
sure that we're playing bingo. That's why she's giving them.
So this is your capital.
Oh,
Kapital po ninyo ito sa paglalaro ng bingo.
Oh, soon.
Ngayon, ito po'y 80
Ikaw ang
pirasong pila. Kumakalansin.
Masasearch pa niya.
Alimutan na lang.
At ito po'y naipon ko sa pagpapalimos.
And she got it from being in Devon.
Ngayon ako'y nakapasok. Sinabi ko sa kanila bago akong paligo.
Before she came, she had to take her shower and put perfume.
Ang nilagay ko pong mga ano na mabango na hindi ako mangangamoy, antibacterial yun daw.
And the perfume that she put is antibacterial.
Kanya, marilag na dalag.
Marilag na.
Dala na.
Hindi pala kayo dalag. Dalaga.
Dalaga.
Binibigay ko po ito sa inyong buong puso.
I'm giving this to
Ito
you.
po'y pinag-ipunan ko. Ang iba dito'y galing din sa inyo. Ngayon, ako pinihiling kung pwede.
Now I can ask you something.
Yes.
Kung manalo na po kayo, pasuhin naman ninyo ako na isang bisikleta. 3 ang gulong.
Give me the bicycle with 3 tires.
Kasi yun lang po ang kaya kong manihuhin.
That's the only thing that she could drive.
Hindi na kailangan ng lisensya.
You don't need any license.
Hindi na kailangan ng registro.
No registration.
Ngayon po, yun ay malaking tulong sa akin. Dahil kaya ko yung napunta doon sa aking trabaho, madali na akong makarating gawa sa bisikleta.
O, sige.
Ay, pag ako'y naglalakad, nahuli ako. Wala nang tao, wala nang maglimos sa akin, tapos na ang misa. So, ito po ibibigay ko sa inyo.
Ay, salamat.
Ilalagay ko sa supot susupot ni Judas.
Oh my God. This is Judas. Supot ni Judas.
Supot ni Judas. Ayan. At ako po inyo. Huwag na po ninyo akong bibigyan ng GPS. May GPS na po ako.
O, sige.
Ano ba yan?
Ginagamit ko araw-araw yun. Alam ko na po yun.
Naka-GPS na pala itong pulubi na ito eh.
Ngayon, gusto ko kayong handugan ng tila.
Ano ba?
Oh, may tula pa.
Halika dito.
Miss Universe.
Ano ba yun?
Kayo.
She's going to give me a point.
Let's listen.
2 linggo po itong ipinrepara ko kinata.
It took me 2 weeks to prepare it.
Bow.
Wow.
Ang tula ko. Mula doon.
Oh!
Yung pa sa kalulunan. Hanggang dito. Lakas ko na po ang tula ko.
Yay! From Japan naman to.
Okay, the next one. The scepter is the symbol of power and authority. Will be presented by Miss Moning Willan.
Oh, doon pala.
She was former Miss Bohol, 1995. Now, Miss Port St. Lucie can use her scepter to beat Joe. What? Me? That's why. She has the power and authority now. Now, Miss Moning is the Miss Socialite of the 21st century. Look at how her calendar. She's always fully booked. You won't believe now. You won't believe me if I tell you November and December 2025 is already filled with parties, in the Philippines and elsewhere. Her presence is always in demand. She can easily travel, fast going anywhere with her powerful magic broom. Wandering than the jet, actually faster than the jet plane that makes it possible for her to meet all the commitments and invitation.
Yes, I am.
Oh my God, what is that?
Wow.
And also
Thank you. Wishing you all the best and always in good health. Happy birthday. Thank you, Muning. Oh my God, with all this money, what am I doing?
Don't worry, I help you.
You can take us out to eat.
Now let me call the last one to honor Miss Port St. Lucie. Is she already here?
Yes.
Miss Linda Soden, the Miss Japan during the World War II. She and Miss Nelly are the best of friends ever since. Miss Japan seldom attends social gathering, but for their good old friendship, she was obliged. Miss Linda offered a bouquet of fresh flowers flown in from Baguio to Pampanga in Manila, then soon to Florida. Take note that aside from the flowers, she attached 3 10-carat diamonds on the leaves. Miss Linda is very rich. She has the Yamashita treasure in her keeping. Miss Japan is the left vintage of the Japanese regime. When the Americans arrived to liberate the country, all the Japanese left running in a hurry.
Look at this.
Miss Japan was left behind because she could not run. She arrived late today because she borrowed
Bakya mo na yan eh.
sleigh minus the reindeers of Santa Claus and uses 5 turtles to pull it, hence the delay. Almost missed her part. Here comes Miss Linda of Japan.
She walks so slow.
What's happening?
What ako si I see maso.
Con Jovi, Omega-2, Gozaimasu.
Happy birthday.
Arigato. Arigato gozaimasu.
I see maso.
Wow.
I am full.
Now you have to
It's the end of the program. And this is to show you how we are enjoying ourselves. How shallow is our happiness. And we make fun of ourselves. We laugh at ourselves. We joke at ourselves and do foolishness. We laugh so much. Laughter is the best medicine. And that is our
Balik ka lang
because we are all seniors here. That is it, folks. Thank you for watching.
Now it's my turn.
Sandali.
Di ba nalakit silang dalawa?
Not yet. Hold on.
Sandali. Magpapagod tayo. Maglarampa kayo.
Teka, lalakad kayong dalawa.
Well, thank you very much. Without you, I think I will never survive.
No.
Now you have to walk with Jojo. Jojo will accompany you to walk around.
She will have to parade with the escort.
The escort.
Escort.
Yeah.
In the backyard. Teka, where's the music? Wait, the music.
Ikaw, Miss Universe.
Yan, sa taas. Ay, sa taas. Yan.
Yeah. That one.
Ikaw ang Miss Universe.
Yan. Yung pangalawa. Hindi ba ito kanta? Kanta. Yung pangalawa. kanta. Yan, sa next. Ito,
The sound of Manila.
Kaya joke.
Okay.
Oh, Jagger.
Okay.
Chay, ikaw magawa. Ito magawa. Magaling din.
Yes, for
Ay, lakad na.